Good morning, Louie here. I would like everybody to have a magnificent Monday. And I got a few jokes. Just remember, every day is a gift from God. Well, except for Monday. Satan slipped one in. He's a sneaky poop head. I think Mondays were invented to punish us for all the fun we had all weekend. Sunday was supposed to be my fun day, but it got ruined this week. I have a song for that. I didn't get to go to the pub party. So, rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. You ruined my Sunday, my fun day. I don't like you very much. All right, one more joke. I can see smoke on the horizon. God, I hope it's the rest of Monday, burning it to the ground. All right, guess what? Today's wacky holiday is National Fritters Day. Go out there and get yourself one of those delicious apple fritters. I know my dad likes those. Don't you, Dad?
Yep.
Thanks for listening. Have a marvelous Monday.